It's great to be here at the 2008 World Travel Awards Asia and Indian Ocean ceremony in this thriving city, Shanghai. We're here to honour the very best of the best in Asia and the Indian Ocean. The World Travel Awards is now in its 15th year. The accolades celebrate organisations that make the greatest contribution to the global tourism trade. These awards recognise those who drive the travel industry to greater heights and innovation. The Wall Street Journal says that they are the travel industry's equivalent to the Oscars. For the tourism trade, it is more than just an Oscar, though. It's a reliable endorsement from travel professionals across the globe who deal directly with vacationers and tourism products. Over 167,000 of these travel professionals in over 163 countries worldwide have been given the opportunity to vote. It's a real chance for these people to let the world know what they think is the best of the best. Winning a World Travel Award has become a global benchmark. Winners proudly display their World Travel Award Winners' Shield as the stamp of travel excellence guaranteed. Anyway, thank you very much indeed. Okay, the first award is Macau's leading hotel. And the winner is the Westin Resort Macau, and collecting the award is Humayun Shakzaid, the General Manager of the Westin Resort Macau. Of the world. The finest hotels of the world proudly present some of the world's most elegant and sumptuous escapades. It is therefore fitting that the next award is presented by Jimmy Sofias from the finest hotels of the world. So please welcome him to the stage. Jimmy. There we are, sir.
The winner is a Singapore leading hotel, Miss Christine Nelko, Assistant Director of Sales on the hotel.
It's the Fullerton Hotel in Singapore.
The Fullerton, no, sorry, I apologize.
China's leading destination. The winner goes to Shanghai Municipal Tourism Administrative Commission. Collecting is Maria Chow.
Line in the world, apparently. Next award, China's leading hotel. I don't know where that could be. It's where I'm staying, the Portman Ritz-Carlton, and the VP and General Manager, Rainer Berkler. The beds are soft, and the champagne is Travel Awards history. The awards started in 1993, and they were founded to acknowledge excellence in the global travel industry. 15 years have passed, and there are many developments to talk about. This year sees the continued and growing commitment to offering exposure to nominees and winners. Award winners enjoy global media coverage. Newspapers, magazines, websites, and worldwide television networks, including BBC World News, have all featured the World Travel Awards. 2007 saw the launch of the World Travel Awards Grand Tour. Following its global success, an even larger 2008 Grand Tour was launched. It recognises award winners in their own territories in spectacular style. The 2008 Grand Tour will culminate in December in the Paradise Islands of the Turks and Caicos in the Caribbean, where the overall world winners are set to be announced. Two hugely successful ceremonies have already taken place this year in the exciting destinations of Durban and Sydney. A full list of the forthcoming 2008 events can be found in your programme. Right, let's get on with the show, and to present some more awards, can I have more envelopes, please? Hong Kong, and the leading business hotel and Hong Kong's leading hotel is the Intercontinental Hong Kong, and picking up the award is the Director of Sales, Violet Zhu. Violet. The only room to get is the presidential suite. Apparently it's the most expensive suite in the whole of Asia, and the view of Magic Hour is superb. The next award is Singapore's leading business hotel, and the winner is the Swiss Hotel Merchant Court, and picking up the award is Christian Schaufelberl. Beautiful Turks and Caicos Islands, Ralph Higgs, the director of Turks and Caicos Tourism, the host of our World Gala ceremony in December.
Mauritius leading spa resort. And the winner is the one and only La Seren Garan. And collecting the award is Andrew Milton, General Manager, one and only Mauritius.
The World Travel Awards event partner, Small Luxury Hotels. Small Luxury Hotels of the World is an unsurpassed collection of over 440 hotels spanning more than 70 countries, which together offer an infinite variety of tailored experiences. So to present the award, please welcome to the stage Anita Chan.
Asia's leading villa and China's leading resort is Fuchun Resort. And the person collecting is Max. Max G.
Asia's leading new hotel, and the winner is the Ritz-Carlton Sanya. And pick up the award, the General Manager, Michel Gauget. Well, the next award's already presented by the Regional Vice President for Swiss Hotels and Resorts China. This is a new role for Swiss Hotels and Resorts, which demonstrate their commitment to the tremendous growth opportunities here in China. Now with 4 hotels, Swiss Hotels and Resorts now offer hotels in Beijing, Kunshan, Foshan, and this wonderful hotel here, which was opened in Shanghai on April the 11th. After being represented in Beijing for the last 17 years. So please welcome to the stage John Pelling, the Regional Vice President for Swiss Hotels, Hotels and Resorts.
Thank you very much. Asia's leading travel exhibition. I'm afraid there isn't one. The award goes to Asia Luxury Travel Market, and collecting that award is Jay Martins, the Exhibition Director. Congratulations.